Today I have a new phone mount, specifically designed for the Model 3 and Y. Thanks to VICSEED for providing this unit for me to review in this video. Let's get to the unboxing. Taking the box out of the shipping bag, we see that it says Vicseed Magnetic Car Mount, their motto being "Make your life simple." On the back, we see the specs, including weight and size. Once the box is open, we see the magnetic part of the phone mount first. Under the cardboard, we have some stickers for removing dust. In this bag is a nice microfiber cleaning cloth used for the installation and also for cleaning your phone screen afterwards. It has the email and website from the company listed here. This corner-shaped cardboard will be used for installation on the car. Next, inside this plastic bag is the base of the mount. It has a hinge that allows it to be hidden when installed. On the round end is the 3M tape that will be used to attach to the car. Unfolding it, you can see a button right here. Press this to extend the mount. This is handy for adjusting it to fit your particular phone size. This is a backup 3M double-sided tape if you want to use it later if you remove the mount. This is a frame for your phone if you have an Android phone or older iPhone without Magsafe. I'll show you how that works in a little bit. Inside this envelope are a couple of LCD cleaning wipes and 2 metal rings. I'll cover those later. Here's a support card that has a dual use. If you ever want to remove the mount from the car, slide this under and remove the adhesive from the car and from the mount itself. It also includes a QR code with the installation instructions. Lastly, we have the user guide for the phone mount. It includes lots of detailed information for the installation steps, among other things. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this small box. Let me move some of it out of the way for now. Let me connect the two parts of the mount. Here you see the hinged main portion along with the round magnetic end. Unscrew the fixed nut and then place it into the ball joint. Push the ball joint into the groove and it will snap into place. Then tighten the fixed nut. Note that there is a protective film on the magnetic portion of the mount. You can remove this at any time. I happen to leave it on for this video and it doesn't affect anything. Here is a nice close-up 360 view of the mount pieces connected. Press the button if you want to extend it, and the finish is similar in color to the Tesla's metal screen case. The mount has a nice smooth motion and feels good to the touch with nice quality metal and plastic components. The cardboard corner frame gets inserted on the side of the mount with the hinge. Make sure it looks like this. When in the car, it will be installed into the upper left-hand side of the touchscreen. Now for some detail on the 2 metal rings. On the right is the one with the white protective paper. It's the slim ring, which is for a bare phone or a smooth, thin case. On the left, with the red protective paper, is the thick metal ring. It's for a larger case or one that has texture. Looking from the side, you can see that the left one is thicker. Here I will install the thin ring on my iPhone 8 with a thin plastic case. Place the matchup card over the center of the phone so that the edge of the circle has even lengths left and right. Make sure that the top and bottom measurements are also the same. Pull off the protective paper from the metal ring and then paste the ring onto the circular opening. Press firmly along the metal ring to secure it. Leave it for 6 hours. Then the magnetic phone mount will hold your phone firmly. If you are using the thick ring, it works the same way. Now I will move to the inside of the car for installation. There are a couple different ways you could attach this mount. If you want the ability to rotate the phone portrait and landscape, use the default installation method with the cardboard corner. Alternatively, if you want it so that the top of the phone is aligned with the top of the Tesla touchscreen, attach it lower onto the back of the display. Also, if you just want to have the mount in a landscape position directly above the Tesla screen, align the phone mount with that in mind, more to the right with the folding arm going straight up. If you choose to change the location, there is a backup 3M double-sided tape that's included that you can use. Otherwise, each of the 3M tapes are one-time use only. There is a 12-month warranty that will cover any problem with this product. Using the alcohol wipes, clean the surface on the back of the Tesla touchscreen. Then dry it off with the microfiber cloth. For positioning, I use the manufacturer recommended position with the cardboard corner locator. If you want it to be lower or for landscape above the Tesla screen, use that position when you attach it with the 3M tape. You get a backup 3M tape if you want to use a different location later, but make sure you're happy with the location before you attach it with the 3M tape. Pull off the red circular 3M protective plastic off of the mount. Then put the mount with the installation frame on the corner of the touchscreen, and then press down the mount to the position on the back of the touchscreen. Press it firmly for 1 minute to fix it into place. Then let it sit for 24 hours. For this demo, I didn't wait the recommended 24 hours for the 3M tape to cure and have maximum adhesion. I definitely recommend that you do that if you purchase it. Now let's see what it looks like. Fold the mount out to face the driver's seat and press the button so that it can extend. Take your phone and put it on the round support base to use it. It will snap into place with the magnets. It has very strong magnetic power. It can even hold 10 times the phone's weight steadily. The mount uses 12 N52 neodymium magnets. The magnetic phone mount side has a rotating swivel so that you can position the phone to minimize glare or to get the best viewing angle. You can press the button to adjust the length, so if you want it to be away from the screen or touching the edge of the touchscreen, you have your choice. Here you can see I've rotated the phone into a landscape or portrait position depending on how you want to use the apps on the phone. To remove the phone, hold the mount and pull the phone out. It's held very strongly in place. Then you can fold the mount back into place where it is hidden from view. One negative to this mount is that it does not offer charging. However, if you use a USB cable to attach it to the phone from the center console, it will charge fine, as you can see here. Here is a view of the smaller iPhone 8 using the metal ring on the mount. I'll swing the camera around so you can see the mount from different angles. Note the minimalist foldable design, easy to hide it when you don't need it. Here is a view of the mount from outside the car through the windshield. The 3M double-sided tape offers the strongest adhesion. It will stay attached and not fall off, even when the car gets very hot. It's rated for 220 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance. Here's another view of me taking off the iPhone 8 and folding the mount back in its hidden position. And this is the view from outside the car with the mount folded. The mount is super small and won't block the touchscreen and driving viewing angle. Here's a view of my iPhone 13 Pro on the mount. This shows the phone mounted in the portrait position. So you can use the phone apps like PlugShare, FaceTime, etc., and have a clear view of them without blockage. I do see another improvement that could be made. The base that attaches to the car's screen should be able to rotate. By adding this feature, the mount would have 2 rotation points and would be amazingly positionable and flexible. I'll mention this to the manufacturer for a version 2.0 product. So in summary, I like the mount design that blends well with the car. The metal color is similar to the car's screen frame and feels good to the touch. The hinge mechanism is firm and does not feel flimsy. The strong magnetic connection to the phone is great. It takes quite a bit of force to remove it, so you know it will not fall off during spirited driving. And finally, it can fold out of the way when not needed and not be seen. So if you have a new iPhone that has Magsafe or an older iPhone or Android phone, this mount will work with any of them by using the included metal rings. If you are interested in this item, the link is in the video description. Right now there is a 20% coupon when you go to the Amazon link. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.